In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group chat in Facebook. Alright, so I'm here on my screen and I'm going to start by opening up Facebook. Just going to launch it like I normally would, and once it loads in, I'm on my main feed where everything is showing up. Now from here, I'm going to move up to the top of the screen and click on the messenger icon. It's that little chat bubble, so I'll just tap on it and it opens up my recent conversations. Once that's done, I'm going to look for new message. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and this brings up a fresh message window where I can start a new chat from scratch. At this point, I'm going to start typing the names of the people I want to add into the group chat. So I'll just begin entering names one by one, and as I type, Facebook will suggest the right contacts. I'll select each person I want, and you can see them all being added into the same message thread. Once I've added everyone, I'm basically setting up the group chat without needing a separate group creation button. Everything is now combined into one chat window with all the selected people included. Now I'm going to start typing my message in the text box at the bottom. So I'll just write something simple to kick off the conversation. It can be anything you want, just something that gets the group chat started. And once I've typed my message, I'm going to press enter to send it. As soon as I do that, the group chat is created automatically, and everyone I selected is now part of the conversation. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. I'm just going through it again as I'm doing it. Open Facebook, tap the messenger icon at the top, click new message, type the names of the people you want to add, then start typing your message and press enter. Once that's done, your group chat is live and ready to use, and you can continue messaging everyone inside it just like a normal conversation.